Hey Janine, Tom here with WFB Digital Solutions. Just wanted to get you that screencast I was telling you about on the phone the other day. Just going over some key points of how to improve your online presence. So one of the things I like to go over first is content, and we'll go over backlinks and citations. Content's used by Google to figure out exactly how you're found, and then also how to boost you up in the organic search listings. What Google likes to look for is about 1,500 words on your front page or your main page, and then basically having quite a bit of content on your other back pages along here. Google also looks for particular keywords that are related to your products and services. That way it knows how to rank you and what keywords rank you for. So looking at your front page here, it doesn't seem like you have a whole lot of content. So it's something to really help you on ranking on Google is to have, like I said, the content, having keywords that are related to your products and services that'll help you out, as well as having rich content and keywords related to each back page that you have related to the content of each page. Your competition is Boise River Fence in Boise. Their main page actually doesn't have a whole lot of content either. They probably have about 500 words max. So that actually benefits you because then it's not that much of a challenge to beat them out on content keywords for the front page. They do have quite a bit of back pages, just like you guys, for their products and services. So you just have to make sure that your content on each back page and keywords fit within what you're talking about on that page, and that'll help you out with the rankings as well. The next thing I want to talk about, I use a page called Ahrefs that shows how many keywords you have, backlinks you use, what your trust and your power is for Google, and how much organic traffic you have, and the value of organic traffic every month. So looking at your keywords, you have 456 keywords. Your backlinks, you have 623. Power is 23 out of 100, and your trust is 23 out of 100. Your power is 28 out of 100. It's actually pretty decent. So your backlinks, looking down here, not too bad. I mean, they're pretty low, so it definitely could improve your backlinks with having more reputable, more trustworthy backlinks. So backlinks, basically, to explain that, is anywhere you find a website linked to another via a clickable hyperlink. Those links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins people of websites pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting if relevance to your industry and local website will work best. Looking at your competition, Boise River Fence, they have 238 keywords and 14.3 thousand backlinks. Their trust is 28, but their power is only 3.3. So they don't have very good power with Google, not the same amount of trust with Google. Their backlinks are also low, so it'd be quite easily to outdo them with backlinks, have more reputable backlinks, and basically just beat them out all around with keywords. I believe you have more keywords there, so that's good. That does help you. But unfortunately, they are still beating you on Google. They're on the front page, or first page of Google, and you're not. I think you're on the second page of Google. So I think that they're big because they have so many backlinks that might be helping them, but only because they have so many. If you were to get more trustworthy, more solid backlinks, that would definitely help you out, and also increasing your content. Like I said, Google looks for the content as well as the keywords. So more content, more backlinks, more reputable backlinks will definitely help boost you up, and it wouldn't be too hard to pass Boise River on being on the front page of Google. So when we do look for Boise or fence companies Boise, you will find Most of the time you see these maps here and with business names on the left-hand side. These are called map packs, and it has a lot to do with citations. What citations are is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly how they are on your Google business profile. Citations help you rank on this map pack, where it's extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of income or revenue. Citations also include using the directories. So this is what a citation is. Use the directories of Yelp, Angie, BBB, even Facebook has its own directory you can use. But the more citations you have, the higher ranking you'll be on the map packs. You can even figure out exactly on your competition using Ahrefs. You can find out who your competition's using for their citations. Actually, there's another program you can use. It's called Local Citation Finder, and it's free. You can put in your competition's website, and you find out how many citations they have, who they use for the citations, and then you can use them. Use the same websites for your citations if you're not using them. Use more, just beat them out. You just got to get more than them, and you'll beat them out and be on the top of the list of the map pack. The idea is that your brand begins to be found on Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once you get all your content, backlinks, citations together, you start to outgrow your competition. There's where you might be looking for by generating the traffic. So I'll go back to the traffic. So you got 60 organic traffic a month with $61 value a month. Boise River Fence has 515 organic traffic because they're on the front page. So you, in turn, getting ranked to the front page, your traffic will increase, which will also increase your value every month, and obviously your leads and your net profit that you'll be making. So this is what I do for a living. I'm creating this video for you guys to help start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out. I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals, and I can do the research to find exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. If you find this information helpful, and informative, educational, I'd love to hear about it. Feel free to reach out. Let me know. Give me a call, email me. I'd like to know how this worked out for you. So if you give me a call, 208-402-8268. Again, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.